shop. See my cat over here? Her name is Kit Kat. And see her? She's kind of aggressive. But look at her face. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. It's so cute. And it want to say hi anyways. Hello. It said hi. And you guys should be good to the animals, even baby animals. Always. And if you are harmful to animals, all the animals in earth will die, and even all nature. So don't kill. And if you are a hunter, you can watch this video. But if you are not a hunter, scroll. And hunters, I say to you, hunters for the animals, stop killing animals or all the nature will be gone. And if all nature is gone, all earth is gone. No people in earth, no you in earth.